I like family time. Probably because you can see all your friends. We get to walk and talk because I don't get to see my friends very much because they're not in my class. Walking and talking and saying the Pledge of Allegiance.
Family time is a time for connectivity, I believe. It's a time for our classrooms to be together in the mornings, a time for each individual student to see their part of their community within their room, but also their community outside of their classroom. In this building, we are all family. So when students come to us each morning, it's also a time for them to check in, feel good about being at school. If they've had a rough morning, we can reach out, we can share an opportunity where they are able to talk to an adult and let us know what they're thinking. That in itself allows them to upshift.
I like walking and talking with my friends because they're your friends, but then you get to learn more and more about them every family time.
The big picture, though, what we're doing is we're talking about our portrait of a graduate words. And with that is emphasizing these words that from kindergarten through 12th grade, every year we're going to hammer on these words to all of our students. So that by the time they're in middle school, junior high, and high school, they've got a foundation for what it is we're looking for, those things that make someone a better citizen of the community.
I learned that you can get together and then you can also meet new friends because you might bump into them and say, "Oh, hi, I might have met you in kindergarten or something."
The overall goal for South is for kids to feel connected and that sense of community and pride for what we do here at South. And it's important for us to give teachers an opportunity to connect and praise their students, and for the students to feel and receive those positive words, those words of affirmation. One way teachers are given an opportunity to recognize students with positive office referrals is by submitting those on a daily basis. And I read those over the announcements, and then students are given a chance to come to the office and see me and just feel that recognition piece, and then they are given an opportunity to choose a prize for that positive office referral. In addition to that, they are also working on individual academic goals or maybe behavioral goals, and so teachers will recognize students for that, and thus they get to get a book from the book vending machine for achieving that goal.
So everybody's probably wondering, how does this all come together at South Elementary? One of the ways we bring together our Portrait of the Graduate words is through our monthly assemblies. We have an assembly once a month in which everybody in the school is invited to celebrate our Portrait of a Graduate winners. These are students that teachers have nominated who have really shown above and beyond everybody else how we display our word. It's a time we invite families in, staff, students, where we can celebrate publicly kids' accomplishments and the great things that they are doing at South Elementary.